I want you to homicide it.
I see you, baby.
Hi guys, it's your girl B, Natasha Nicole here, and I am coming through to do a headband wig tutorial where you can make a headband wig out of any of your wigs that you got at home laying around. You see how my hair is looking right now? It's looking a hot mess. I do not look hot girl ready. I look a hot silly mess. But anyway, I'm gonna show you how to finesse a wig that you already have at home. First, I'm just taking a little bit of my Got to Be Glue hair gel. I use this all the time. I know a lot of people don't like to use it because of the alcohol in it, but I still got my edges and I've been using it forever. So anyway, this is just a way to slick back your hair. That's all you need to do. Slick back your edges. If you ain't got no edges, don't even worry about them, because once you put the headband on, you ain't gotta have the edges out. I just like to take a little stocking cap or whatnot, and that Got to Be Glue, not Got to Be Glue, honey, Gorilla Snot. That Gorilla Snot be helping that, you know, that stocking cap stay there. And so you just want to pull it back to the amount of hair that you want, you know, where you want your wig to start at, basically. Like, that's just a good indication. Of course, I'm taking my, you know, my loyal handy dandy wig grip. I find mine at my local beauty supply store for $2.99, and they bomb. And I noticed they're starting to be like sold out in my beauty supply store, so every time I see them, I'm grabbing them. But anyway, you just want to put that on, you know, think about how much edges you want out. I'm just showing you right now, like, that you can do this with a frontal or a lace closure wig. I just pulled this frontal out. This is my wind girl hair. This hair was not styled for this video, but I decided, hey, what the heck, might as well show y'all how to do my lace frontal, how I'll be doing my little, you know, my headband trick with the frontals as well, just in case, you know, you got a frontal instead of a closure laying around. So the most important thing you want to think about when doing this headband wig is, or creating a headband wig, tuck that lace underneath, because you don't want to see the lace part of it. You just want to kind of see where the hair kind of like folds over. And you can see I'm tugging on it. Like, that wig grip be having her in place. She don't be going nowhere. I don't know why y'all sleeping on them. But anyway, of course I'm in a rush because I was going to go eat with my siblings and stuff. But for time's sake, you know, you see a little bit of fake scalp there, but take your time and actually like fold it over and you'll be fine. I'm just gonna pin my hair up because it's just easier just to secure the bandana or whatever I decide to use. I have cut up scarves. I bought this bandana from Walmart. This is from the Time and True collection, and they were only like, like $1.70 something for them or whatever. But this one was really, really cute. You just tie that right on around and bam, there you go. Like, how easy is that? And you don't have to go out and buy a headband wig. And then on top of that, you don't have to worry about covering up the black headband that's on the headband wig with the headband. You get me? Like, the headband is there. And then you can take your time and do whatever. Like I said, this hair is not styled. So, of course, if I was to put, like, some cute curls, it would look so much better. But I was just showing y'all just in case, you know, I'm throwing that in there. But for the most part, the majority of the time, I am using a lace closure wig. Now, I'm just taking the time to do my baby hairs. You could have did your baby hairs before, you know, you put the headband wig part on. I mean, that's up to you. It's all about preference. This time, I don't know. Any other time, I'm usually doing my baby hairs first, but this time, I don't know. I put the headband wig on first, or put the headband on first. And so there you go. That's simple, and it looks so cute, y'all. Like, look at that. You couldn't tell me that that was not my hair. Headband wig where? Where is she? She right there. And it is so cute. Imagine with some cute curls in his hair. So now I'm just going to show y'all how you can also do it the other way. You know, like if you wanted the, I don't know what I always think about, but Tupac tied his bandanas like that. So you could do it that way as well. Of course, like I said, I was rushing. I wasn't making like the perfect bow, you know, but whatever, you know. Just make sure you cover that up and boom, like, bruh. And you cannot do this with the headband wig because that black part of the headband wig is so damn thick. Like, how you gonna hide that to push it back? But anyway, here we go. Lace closure wig, my faves, because they're easier. You don't have that much lace to cover up, but whatever. This is my old faithful hair. I have had this wig, I know, at least 6 years. I know. Like, the hair is just so good. It was napping up in the back, so I have cut it, but I use this wig especially for this purpose. And for the most part, the curly hair always looks better when I'm doing the headband wig because it's more volume, it's bigger. This was freshly washed hair, so you can see it looks a little crunch, but don't worry about that. But look how easy it is to cover it up on a regular lace closure wig. Like, and it's so cute. And it's so versatile. Like, it looks bomb. Y'all can't tell me that y'all ain't got no old wigs laying around that you can't do this with and finesse it. So yeah, I do. This is like how I wear my hair to work 99% of the time because it's 5 o'clock in the morning. I don't feel like doing my hair. And this is another little headband that I picked up. You cannot do this with the other one because look, like you have problems coming up the doggone band. So this style was really cute too. And I actually never really wear this headband, but I had pulled it out for this video and I realized how cute it is. Like, why have I not been wearing this? I think I bought them at like Forever 21 one time. They was on the clearance, but it looks so adorable. Imagine if this hair was like bigger, you know, not freshly washed, just bigger. It'd be gorge. I love it. And I'm sitting here like, why have you not did this? Why are you still sitting there? Don't order no headband wig. Waste of money. And then I'm just showing you another option that you definitely could not do with the headband wig. Like, this is kind of reminds me of like the hippie, boho, chic kind of headband look. Like, everybody's in the headbands right now, and you couldn't do that with the other one. Like, that's cute. That is so cute. So cute. So yeah, super easy. It just, this way gives you a lot more versatility. I promise you. And then you don't have like, you know, that Velcro piece in the back. Like, that headband wig ain't staying on. But with that wig grip and everything underneath, like, this headband wig ain't going nowhere. And now I'm showing you how I also secure my wig, especially like if I'm going somewhere and I need it to stay. If I don't need no slip ups, no nothing. I part my hair in the back, the very back of the weft. You actually see in a minute where I have cut the hair because it was napping up so bad. I just cut those pieces a couple of years ago, I remember. But anyway, I just make sure to tie the band on top of that weft, so like some of that cap is underneath, and that's just helping to secure that cap to your head, which means that your wig ain't going nowhere. And 9 times out of 10, this is how I wear mine. I just kind of part it, and my wig don't be going nowhere. With my wig grip on, with my headband secured by my wefts, like, cutest hairstyle ever. So I hope you guys will try this, and I hope it works for you. Like, I'm telling you, just try it. Don't go invest in one. Just do you. But anyway, I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you found this helpful. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Love you bunches.